The All India Farmer Struggle Coordination Committee was formed immediately after the killing of the 6 farmers in the Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh. It was a few years ago. And during last few years, it was already functioning quite well. And we occupied the Parliament Street many times. We held the Mahila Sansad. And we also presented 2 bills before the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. One bill was on the freedom from debt for all the farmers, and the second one was for the appropriate prices for every produce. And we included in the definition of farmer the farm laborers, the cattle grazers and dairy workers, as well as the fish workers and the Adivasis, the indigenous people living on the forestry. So what we meant in a way is that every single agro produce, including milk and also the forest produce, should get the appropriate price. And the inequity between the industrial products and the agro products should be mitigated. Now that demand is further, aggressively followed because of the 3 acts. Because these 3 acts will neither allow the MSP to be implemented, nor will it does it talk about it as a legal binding, not scheme but provision. Nor does it refer to the freedom from debt. So we are all indebted of the farmers' contribution to GDP and farmers' service in terms of food security of all the countrymen. So the demands really include opposition to corporatization, since that has resulted into vulgar disparity in every sector, education, health and others. It also is necessary to understand that MSP has been on the agenda, but initially all the organizations felt that the first and the foremost demand has to be repeal of the 3 acts. But along with that, people want something positive to be achieved, because now that the movement is really become stronger, why not take up the MSP battle ahead and this movement itself? The response has been very positive, and although the repeal of the acts can really save the sector from corporatization, it will not give any further benefit to change the farming sector situation. So MSP is also the next point on the agenda, but it is the next point. And hence simultaneous discussion on the 3 acts as well as MSP issue, we are for. But we cannot have only MSP issue resolved and something promised like MSP will continue and not repeal the acts. That is not acceptable. Also, if it is MSP, it has to be legally binding provision. And we want it for all the produce, as I said. And we want the MSP to be calculated, since it is only minimum support price, not optimum nor maximum. It should be calculated based on the Swaminathan Commission's formula, and that will change a lot, because the present MSP for wheat or paddy is below 2,000. If we use that formula of C2 plus 50, including a valuation of the contribution of family labor, then it will go up to 3,500. And cotton's MSP also is today maximum MSP is 5,850. Well, it should be at least 9,000 rupees per quintal. And the fruits, vegetables, milk have no MSP. Even the hilly millets have no MSP. So this is the vision behind MSP, and only that will save the farmers from committing suicide.